Hello everyone, I'm Ashlee and today I have got Neewer's Dimmable USB LED light kit. In this video I'm going to show you how to use this fantastic product from Neewer and show you some tips on how to get the best use. Let's begin by unboxing the product. Please ensure that you have everything before getting started. This includes 2 LED lights, 2 desktop tripods, 2 ball heads, 6 colour filters and the manual. If you've got everything, you're good to go. Next, let's quickly dive into what this product has to offer. To start with, it comes at a very low price. At this present time, it's £45.99, which is outstanding given the fact that it has the same effect as an RGB light as well. It's suitable for those who have a small setup, for example, live streaming. As mentioned, this kit comes with some colour filters, which allows you to get really creative. You are also able to change the height of this light, from 22.5 centimeters to a whopping 116 centimeters. The ball head allows you to angle the light up to 180 degrees, ensuring that you have the best positioning possible. Finally, it's a really simple design, which allows you to set everything up really quickly and start using within 3 minutes. Right, let's begin setting this up. Firstly, let's install the ball head to the light. Simply twist the screw located at the top of the ball head into the light. Then, sit the bottom of the ball head to the top of the tripod, and by twisting the entire tripod, we'll tighten it into place. At this point, we can also use the ball head knob, which allows me to position it at an angle of my choice. Next, plug the USB end into a power adapter. And then into your power source. And that's pretty much it. Once you're all ready to start, press the power button located in the middle of the control bar. The range of brightness allows you to change from 10% to 100% very easily using the up and down buttons located outside. The default setting is 100%, so I'm going to press the down button 3 times, and now I'm at 70%. A great tip to know, holding the down button for 5 seconds will make it go to 10%. And vice versa. If you want to go to 100%, then hold the up button for 5 seconds. Finally, pressing the power button once more will power it off. Whilst using this kit, you might want to spice things up with a bit of colour. This can easily be done by installing one of the colour filters provided. If you take a closer look, you'll be able to see a small gap between the casing and the LEDs, which means you can easily slide the white panel out and slide in your chosen colour. Before I go, I must tell you that you should not use a power bank to supply power to this kit. It will draw too much power and could create a disastrous event. This includes the use of tablets and any other electrical equipment too. I highly recommend using a wall plug to insert the USB into for power. This way it will generate the right amount of power for use. Thanks for watching and I hope this video has helped you. So what are you waiting for? Become a professional today with Neewer's Dimmable USB LED light kit.